Welcome! This is where your social media becomes your income. Today, we show you simple steps to make money fast and smart. No hype, just strategy you can start now. All you need is your phone, a plan, and consistency. Ready? Let us begin. We will go platform by platform with clear actions. Your audience is global. Opportunities are everywhere. Post with purpose. Turn attention into income. This is Emmy Tech TV Show. Subscribe and grow with us. Step 1. Know the platforms. Each app rewards different content styles. Your job, match your message to the platform. Short, value-first clips win attention quickly. Speed and clarity matter. Post from Kigali. Get seen in Nairobi, Lagos, London. Creativity plus consistency beats expensive gear. Engagement is fuel for reach. Reply, ask questions, build community. Repurpose smartly. One idea, many formats. Small daily actions compound into growth. That is the momentum you need. Now, let us break down each platform for money. YouTube, teach, review, or tell stories people search for. YouTube, Wigishe, Usuzumi, Chiangwa Uvuge, Inkuru Abantu Bashakisha. Monetize with ads, affiliates, and sponsorships. Kubonamo Amafaranga, Amasegonda Yamatangazo. Affiliate, Nabatarankunga. Optimize titles, thumbnails, chapters for clicks. Tegura Umutwe, thumbnail, Nibiche Kugirango Abantu Bakande. Pin your offer link and invite to subscribe. Shaira Hejuru Ihuriro Riigikuruzwa Kandi Usabe Gusubiza. TikTok, hook in 1 second, deliver value in 15. TikTok, Fata Abantu Mu Isegonda. 1. Uhe Agachiro Mu Masegonda 15. Use trending sounds with your niche twist. Koresha Indirimbo Zigezweho Uzihuza Ninshingano Yawe. CTA, comment a keyword for a free guide. CTA, Andika Ijambo, Rio Hasi Ubone Inyandiko Ubuntu. Shares and watch time drive the push. Gusangira Nigihe Barebani Beo Byongera Kugera Kure. Facebook, Reels for reach, groups for trust. Facebook, Reels Mukugera Kure, Amatsinda Mukubaka Itziizere. Answer questions and recommend your offer. Subiza Ibibazo Kandi Usabe Kugerageza Ibyo Utanga. Move warm leads to inbox respectfully. Ohereza Abashimishijwe Kuri Inbox Muburio Bubaha. Instagram, show results, behind the scenes and reels daily. Instagram, Werekane Ibisubizo, Inyuma Yibyuma, Na Reels Buri Munsi. Carousels teach, Reels attract, Stories sell, Carousels Zirigisha, Reels Zikurura, Stories Zigurisha. Use quick replies to scale conversations. Koresha Ibisubizo by Husemu Biganaro Bienchi. X. Threads build authority. Replies build relationships. X. Threads Zubaka Ububasha. Replies Zubaka Umubano. Pin a free resource that leads to your offer. Shira Hejuru Igitabo Chi Ubuntu Kiganisha Ku Gichuruzwa Chiawe. Post daily. Comment hourly. Ohereza Buri Munsi. Usige Igitekerezo Buri Saha. 5 money paths. Ads, affiliate, services, digital products, sponsorships. Inzira, 5. Amatangazo, affiliate, servisi, Ibikuruzwa Baya Digitali, Nabaterankunga. Always lead to one clear next step. Buri Gihe Shaira Intabwe Ikurikira Isobanutse. Proof will follow your process. Ibisubizo Biza Kurikira Uburyo Ukoresha. Next, plan your content and stay consistent for results. Ibikurikiraho. Iteganya ibikubiemo kandi ugumane umurongo kugira ngo ubone ibisubizo. Plan 1 week at a time. Tega ichumweru kimwe kukindi. Write 3 ideas, 3 hooks, 3 calls to action. Andika ibitekerezo 3, hooks 3, na CTA 3. Schedule short, consistent sessions. Teganya utuzima tugufi tua ubwizerwe. Pick 1 niche and 1 audience. Hitamo niche imwe nabarebwa bairimo. Align your bio and promise across platforms. Huza bio nisezerano rayawe kumbuga zosi. Message clarity attracts buyers. Ubusobanutse buyubutumwa bukurura abaguzi. Batch record to save time. Fata amashusho menshi icharimwe kuzigama igihe. Edit tight, add captions, sync to beat. Hina, ongeraho subtitles, uhuze ninjana. Use 3-5 precise hashtags. Add location. Koresha hashtags 3-5 zinoze, ongeraho aho uri. Test thumbnails and hooks. Yes, gerageza thumbnails na hooks. Watch your numbers, not your ego. Reba imibare, si ubwibone. Celebrate small wins every day. Ishimire insinzi antuzumunsi kuwundi. Be consistent. Focus on your niche. Guma mumurongo. Wibande kuri niche yawe. Results follow routines. Ibisubizo bikurikira gahunda. Simple system. Create, post, offer. Uburyo boroshi, kora, ohereza, tanga. Collect emails to own your audience. Tera abantu bandika. Emails kugirango ube nirabayazana. Track views, clicks, and conversions weekly. Kurikirana views, clicks, na conversions burichumveru. Time to turn growth into income. Igihe kirageze cho guhindura gukura amafaranga. Income flows from value delivered. Amafaranga avaku gachiro utanze. Start with affiliates and small offers. Tangirira ku affiliate nibikuruzwa bito. Package your skills into services. Funika ubumeni bwawe mu servisi. Sell simple digital products. Gurisha ibi ikorana buhanga bioroshe. Celebrate every milestone. Himbaza buri intambwe ugeraho. Your success inspires your community. Insinzi yave itera imbaraga umuriango vave. Start today, your future is online. Tangira uyumunsi. Ahazaza hawe hari kuri murandasi. Pick one platform and post your first offer. Hitamo urubuga rumwe uhite ukoresha itangazo reawe riambere. This is Emmy Tech TV Show. Ahani Emmy Tech TV Show. Subscribe for more digital success tips. Subizahe kugirango ubone inama zinsinzi ya digitali.